Good morning all. Good morning. Turn on your cameras everybody. Turn on your cameras. Yes, very good Dhruti. Yes, Rishita also has turned on the camera. Very nice. Alright, girls and boys. Good morning once again. So we have seen the exercise of the topic yesterday. What is the topic name? How a dog found himself a new master. Yesterday we have seen it, right? Its exercises we have completed, but there was a homework. 2 questions I had given for a homework. So some children have question in that how to solve it. For that purpose, I am taking it once again in the class. Some children did not find the answers, so I am taking it once again in the class. Those who have not completed or tried but could not get answer, they will be completing it now along with me. Okay? So let's begin. I hope you are able to see the camera properly. Fantastic. Very nice, beta. Very nice, Dhruti, that you have completed. Good. Well done. Let's go with page number 24. Page number 24. Take out your pencil. Whenever you write in the textbook, always use pencil. Okay? And whenever you write in the notebook, always use blue pen. Do not use red pen. Use blue pen, and for questions you can use black pen, and for answers blue pen. Okay? Try to write with good handwriting. Yeah. So let's start. Page number 24, question number D. Page number 24, question number D. What is that question number D? One passage is given, you have to read it thoroughly. After that, there are 2 questions given that we have to solve, which are depending on the passage. Let's start. Read the following passage and do the exercises that follow. Then complete the family tree of dogs given on the facing page. Facing page means on the next page, dog family is mentioned and we have to complete that family tree. Okay? Let's start. Page number 24, the dog family. The dog family is one of the 11 families that make up the carnivores. Carnivores, you have learned maybe in the science, carnivores, omnivores, right? So carnivores means those who are having canines and those who eat both. Both means veg and non-vegetarian and vegetarian. They eat flesh also, and no, dogs eat also vegetarian, na? So veg also they eat. Okay, so they have eat natural food items as well as flesh. A large group of intelligent flesh-eating backbone animals. In this group are such varied animals as bears, pandas, raccoons, cats, hyenas, and even seals. The dog or canine family has many wild species like wolves, foxes, coyotes, jackals, and wild dogs. The dog is the only domesticated member of the canine family. Only domesticated, dog is the only domesticated animal who is from the canine family. Though now and then someone tamed a wolf, fox, and coyote as a pet. All members of the dog family are descendants of a wolf-like animal which lived about 15 million years ago. From these distant ancestors, the true dog gradually developed. But nobody knows the exact ancestor of the modern domestic dog. Several wild dogs look and behave like domestic dogs. Wild dogs also somewhere they look like a domestic dogs, and even they behave like a domestic dog. The dingo or the wild dog of Australia is one of these. In Australia, one species is found of wild dog. It looks like just exactly domesticated dog or even behaves like a domesticated dog. It is possible that dingo was a tame dog brought to Australia long ago, which then ran wild. It was first domesticated and later on it became a wild dog. Dogs were the first animals tamed by humans. Perhaps 20,000 years ago, tame dogs were brought from Asia to New World. 5,000 or more years ago. Dogs were first used for hunting. Previously, when humans were not living in huts, okay, like houses, how we are living presently, what human used to do? Human used to go for hunting, and that time dogs were tamed. Now see the first question. Here, such questions, such passages you may get in exams also. They are called as a unseen passage. They are called as a unseen passage. You have to read the passage thoroughly, understand it, comprehend it, and over that some questions are asked. You have to answer those questions. They are called as the unseen passages. Such passages will not be given previously in the textbook. In the exam only you will be seeing it first time. Read, understand, and according to your understanding you have to answer the questions given in the question paper. Okay? They are called as a unseen passage, or the name is given to that section, that is reading comprehension. The name is given to that section is reading comprehension. Okay? So let's start. First question, page number 24, question number D. First question. Find the opposites of these words in the text above. You have to find opposites. Opposites means antonyms. Synonyms means similar meaning. Antonyms means opposite meaning words. Find the opposites. We have to find antonyms of the following words. First word is ancestor. What is the opposite word? What is the opposite word in the passage? Can anybody say? Opposite word of ancestor? Descendant. What is that? Descendant. Next, question 1. From question 1, it's Roman 1. Okay. Then next, Roman 2. Wild, tame, very good. Wild means jungly, we call it, right? Tame. Tame means domesticated. Wild means the animals which live in the forest. Ancient, modern. Ancient, modern. 4 number, near, distant, near, distant. For each letter there are lines are provided. Okay, each letter lines are provided. You can find it out whether your answer is correct or no by counting the lines. For example, for distant there are 7 lines given here, so it should fit into those lines, right? If it is fitting properly, then it is understood that your answer is correct. Next, 5 number, suddenly, gradually, very good. Suddenly, gradually. Suddenly, gradually. Sorry, first one. Ancestor, descendant, huh? I did not get. Tame, ancient, modern, near, distant, suddenly, gradually. Have you completed all? Spelling is wrong. Descendant. Huh? DE. Just take out. Arey, you should tell it. DES remain here. Okay, okay. Then you should tell it here clearly. S is remain. You should speak properly, in proper way. Do you know why? When you are not clear with your sentence, that is not understood. In one word, you could finish that S is remained in this. It's okay. But ma'am, this that doesn't understand the spelling. Descendant. It's not E here. A only. Correct that spelling. It's wrong. You were saying that E will come here, E will not come here. A only. Descendant. I hope it is done, everybody. Have you completed? Yeah, very good. Fantastic. Let's see. Next question. Complete the following sentences. If you are a slow writer, you can erase it. Can I erase it? If you are a slow writer, get a screenshot. Started. Take a screenshot. Now, question number 2. As this is the first time you did not find the answer correctly, I gave it in the class. But such unseen passages you have to find answers by your own. Okay? Now, question number 2. Page number 24. Question number 2. Complete the following sentences. The dingo is wild dog. Very good. The dingo is wild dog. Next, dogs were the dash animals. Yes, dogs were the first animals see here why the article has come, because it's a cardinal number. You know cardinal numbers? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So before all the cardinal numbers we have to use article the, not a or an. An comes for A, E, I, O, U vowels. Okay? A comes for, a article comes for the words starts with consonants. And the is for specific or definite article. The first animals tamed by humans, tamed by humans. The other animals, tamed by humans are what are those? What are those other tamed animals? Yes, horses, elephants, goats, sheep, donkeys, buffaloes. So you can write horses, donkeys, goats. Right? Again, what else? Cows. Few you can write. And buffaloes. Alright, so you have to underline this. Next, number 3. Is it visible? Yeah, good. Thank you. So buffaloes, till buffaloes is the second one. Third I have put down here. If screen is not clear, you tell me now only. Third is down below here. This is not part of the third question. Third question will be written here. The new word refers to dash. New word refers to America. The New World refers to dash. It's America. America is a name of a city, name of a country, right? So always it should be, first letter should be in capital. Okay, proper nouns should be written with first letter capital. America, full stop. Next sentence is dogs were brought there from Asia. What is Asia? Continent. Asia is a continent, right? Dogs were brought there from Asia. So, very good. Yes, I got it. Fantastic, children. I got that you have completed. Very nice, children. So, the dingo is wild dog. Dogs. Maybe for some, some students, network is not clear. So, once again, I will be reading it. So, if you have stuck anywhere, then you can complete it. Right? Page number 24. Question number 2. The dingo is wild dog. Question number 2. Dogs were the first animals tamed by humans. The other animals tamed by humans are horses, donkeys, goats, cows and buffaloes. Third number. The New World refers to America. Dogs were brought there from Asia. I'll wait for 2 seconds. If you are slow writers, then take a screenshot, but make sure that you will be completing it immediately after the class. Yeah, thank you. So see, the next part of the topic is page number 25. We have to complete the family. We have to complete the dog's family tree. Page number 25. What is family tree? Family tree means I will be writing it here as an example. So here the name of the family will come in the beginning, okay? Later on what will be there? Here after the family heads its children. Okay, next generation, then next generation, then next generation. From generation to generation we draw a diagram and we put it into a proper sequence that is called as a family tree, right? So you see here, first here C is given here. What is that? Carnivores. Carnivores. Second, there is a name of there is a picture of one animal. Which is that animal? Seal. Second one is panda. Second one is panda. That is the image of a panda. Then its third animal picture, which is that? Raccoon. Right. It's raccoon. Next animal picture is hyena. Hyena is also from dog family. Okay, it looks like wolf only. And before that, below here, there is bear. And the last dog or canine family. Okay, here it is dog. Then next part starts from here. Next part starts from here. You can see there is one line. Okay, below that. What is that? Canine family. Canine family. So here the next part will start. And one more. Here it will come. Here wild and domesticated, like that. Two parts will be there. Domesticated. So this word is domesticated. Write the correct spelling, children. Do not have spelling errors. Write correct spellings. Check the spellings before you write. And then only you mention them. So in wild, what will be there? Below here. Wolf, fox, coyote, jackal and wild dog. Here. Are you able to see? If I will write it here. Will you able to see? Yes, Samruddhi? Will you able to see if I will write here? Wolf, fox. I will not go more below. I will try to write up only. Wolf. Second is fox. As you hear my voice, you can write it. Wolf, fox. Third. Yes. Next is jackal. Next is jackal. And last is wild dog. Already it is given, right? Wild dog is already given here. Here it's wild dog. I will not draw a box there because already this word is given in the textbook. Alright. It is seen, I feel, right? Okay, turn on your camera. Still now again few children have turned off their camera. Data is used more, so you turn off the camera. Yes, is this a reason? Take a screenshot if you haven't completed. Take a screenshot. So what we have seen today, actually this was a homework, children, okay? I was not supposed to take actually in the class today, but there were some queries from the children, so I have taken it, right? They could not complete it fully. Those who have completed and found their answers correct, well done. Pat your back for writing the answers correctly. Give compliment to yourself only by patting your back. Right? It's great that you found answers by your own self. Take a screenshot. Today we have seen the topic how a dog found himself a new master. It's exercises. Yesterday I had shared with you question answers. I hope you have completed. Yet those who haven't completed, go through the Teachment app and complete it. Okay? I have shared study material there. Now, the next part will be there, the poem. Okay? There is one poem. And before the poem, there is one speaking activity. This is the speaking. Here are some points from similar story that you might have heard in another language. Dividing the class into two groups, try and tell the story in English. One person from each group can speak alternately. Your teacher will help you as you tell it. One of you may write it down on the board. So here is one story. Some lines are given and we have to complete the story. A mouse maiden. Some points are mentioned. What are those points? Mouse changed into a girl by a magician. Wants to marry the strongest person. Ask whether sun or cloud stronger. The reason why. But mountains stronger than clouds. How the mountains are stronger than the clouds? But mouse stronger than the mountain. Then how it is stronger than the mountain? Girl asked to marry mouse becomes a mouse again. Okay. So what happens in the story broadly I will tell you. Okay. You can create your, with your imagination you can create your own story with the help of the hint. If you remember in the first class which I have taken on your class, it was taken by me. What was it used for? The topic story writing. Fantastic. So in story writing I told you how to create a story. What are the elements of the story? According to that, with the help of those elements you can create your own story with these points. This is a speaking activity. It is a speaking activity, so no need to write it anywhere. Okay, it's a speaking activity. You can create your own story as you are physically not present in the school, you are at home, you can share that story with your cousins or your family members, okay, or brothers, sisters or parents. So how you can create, I will just give you a hint. Mouse changed into a girl by a magician. Once a magician does magic on the mouse and the mouse is converted into a girl. And he wants to, that girl wants to marry the strongest person in the world. Like same, how the dog behaved in the story, same way. The girl want to marry the strongest person on the earth. Ask whether sun or cloud stronger. Okay, who is the strongest she is in search of, and she asked the sun or cloud who is the stronger. Then it is understood that cloud is stronger. But when cloud is dashing to the mountain, what we get? It bursts, right? And what we get? We get rain. So mountain is stronger than the clouds. But rats can destroy mountains, right? Rat is a rodent animal, right? What rodent animals do? Rodent animals do? Yes. They bite, but again what do? Yeah, they will dig. They will take out the soil. This way mountain can be destroyed by the mice. Okay, mice is a plural form of mouse. But the mouse is stronger than the mountain, and when that girl realizes, the girl who is turned from mouse to the girl, she realizes that mouse is stronger than the mountain. And when she thinks to marry mouse, okay, as he is the strongest, she converts into again her originality, she comes, right? She becomes again mouse. That way the story, you can create your imagination, you can put your imagination into this story and you can make it wonderful story, right? Thank you all. So in the next class we will be seeing the poem, that is The Kite. Okay, so today it is requested to you to read the poem The Kite. So I will be writing the homework on the board. So what is the homework for tomorrow or today? 2021. Read the poem The Kite. Okay, page number 27. This is the homework. You have to read the poem thoroughly, The Kite, and try to understand what does the poet Harry Benn want to convey the message in the poem. Okay? Done? Noted down the homework. You read it and keep in mind, no problem. No need to note it down anywhere. I will be giving the homework in the group as well. Okay? Thank you.